Hi, I'm Sadness. Today I'm going to make a fake DVD opening. Thomas and Friends Calling All Engines from 1940 by Paramount. Real, not fake. Later, after Sadness made a fake DVD opening, Thomas and Friends Calling All Engines from 1940 by Paramount Pictures. Real, not fake. What? A real DVD opening, Thomas and Friends Calling All Engines, released in 1940 by Paramount Pictures? Real, not fake? No, it is strongly and absolutely 100% fake. That DVD was released by Lionsgate in 2009 and Universal in 2014. And also, not by Paramount Pictures. And also, Thomas and Friends wasn't even made in 1940. It was made in 1984, not 1940. That's it. I'm so gonna call Anger about this. And last, that DVD. I'm so gonna call Anger of this. Sadness. I can't believe you made a fake VHS, a fake DVD opening in 1940, but released in 1940 and made by Paramount Pictures. You know that DVD was released by Lionsgate in 2009 and Universal by 2014 and not Paramount Pictures in 1940. First off, it was released in 2009, not 1940. And Thomas and Friends wasn't even made in 1940. That's it. You're grounded big time. Now go to your room right now.